So I've got it recorded here. Okay, so let's just go back from the top. Okay, it's bring it down to 1.5. I sit and wait. Your turn.
Sit and wait.
Good. Now we're going to bring it up to 1 3/4. Does an angel contemplate my fate? Hold the jewel and cry on plate.
Does an angel contemplate my fate?
That was better. That was better. Good. We want that. Contemplate my fate. Let's hold that fate there. Sing that for us.
Contemplate my fate.
Good. And now, and then what's the next lyric here?
No.
Sorry?
And do they know?
Okay, back to where it starts, 1.5. And do they know? Your turn, real quiet, 1.5, let it cruise.
And do they know?
Again, this is where you kind of phrase it a little bit like Brightside. It's smoothly. And do they know? Your turn.
And do they know?
It's good. It's still a bit. And do they know? It's a bit stepped through the melody. Make sure it's ballady. Remember, it's a ballad. Okay. What's the next line, Adam?
The places where we go.
The places where we go. Bring it up a little bit, 1/4 of a gear. Keep it fluent.
The places where we go.
Where we're grey and old. Keep it oval there. Hold it out. Smidge of a cry.
When we're grey and old.
Good. 'Cause I've been told. Bring it down again, Ads. That was 1 3/4. This is 1.5. Your turn.
'Cause I have been told.
What's that told? 'Cause I have been told. Straight across.
'Cause I have been told.
Better. That salvation lets their wings unfold. Your turn. Cry on salvation and support fold.
That salvation lets their wings unfold.
That's it. You should join a live tribute band, man. You look like the guy from Live now. Okay, cool. Let's go with this next bit. And when I'm lying in my bed, now keep it mellow. 1.5 again. Go for it.
So when I'm lying in my bed.
Again, now we drop that off, Ads. We've got to keep the melody inflated up. We've got to keep it sung like a ballad. So, and when I'm lying in my bed, your turn.
And when I'm lying in my bed.
Listen to the recording back here again. You can see that you're sitting underneath the melody of these notes. You're going, and when I'm lying in my bed, it's, and when I'm lying in my bed, you got to inflate those melodies. Sing it a little bit louder. Get on top of those melodies. Go for it.
And when I'm lying in my bed.
It's better. Listen to the recording back. Stop and pause and go over mine until you get that 110%. Thoughts running through my head. Your turn.
Thoughts running through my head.
That's it. And I feel that love is dead.
I feel that love is dead.
What's it? Dead. Feel that love is dead. Straight across.
Feel that love is dead.
You'll hear on the recording, Ads, it goes dead like that. It's feel that love is dead. Straight across, man. Your turn.
Feel that love is dead.
Better. I need you to do this with your hand, man, on some of your ends. Okay. It's an I'm loving angels instead. Your turn again. Stead. Straight across.
I'm loving angels instead.
That was good. It was a bit. I'm loving angels instead. Down. It's keep the melody up. It's I'm loving angels instead, and hold it to the end.
I'm loving angels instead.
All right, that's better. Still listen to mine. Ads. You've got to get these hands going on your ends. Okay, get that going. So we're holding and sustaining those last notes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. Let's go chorus. And through it, and then stop. Just sing that for us.
And through it.
Watch this. And through it, and through it. Little smile. Bring it up a little bit, ads.
And through it.
That's it, because you need that bounce off to go. And through it, breathe. And through it, oh! No, smile, cry, sustain. Your turn.
And through it, oh!
Excellent. She offers me protection. Your turn.
She offers me protection.
You're going to hear on this recording, man. Take it back. Your melody push aways were under. It's she offers me protection. You got to smile on tection. Your turn. Push away those melodies. Get high, man. You're a semitone under.
She offers me protection.
Still under. She offers me. Your turn.
She offers me
That's better. Protection.
protection.
That's it. I need shun with a cry. Your turn.
Shun.
Perfect. You got to piece all that together, Raj, and go back on the recording here. Okay, I'm recording this for you. So that there, 2.5. Lot of love and what's the words? A lot of love and what?
Affection.
Protection.
Affection. A lot of love and affection.
A lot of love and affection. Okay, and you're going to bring this down here, man. This is down to gear 2. Your turn.
A lot of love and affection.
Good. Still get it ballady. A lot of love and affection. Hold that N at the end there. Your turn.
A lot of love and affection.
Then adds as well too. You had your crosshairs on affection. It's a lot of love and affection. Your turn.
A lot of love and affection.
Bring it down. Whether I'm right or wrong. Really quiet. 1.5.
Whether I'm right or wrong.
Rest of the chorus is all the same. Okay. What's the next line of the chorus, ads?
And down the waterfall.
Same thing. So it's the same as what we started with. And down the waterfall, wherever she may take me.
And down the waterfall, wherever it may take me.
You sat underneath the melodies. Again, have a listen to it. I'll do it one more to wherever it may take me. So I'm going to do it. And down the waterfall, wherever it may take me. And big cry on fall. And more on take me. And you've got to do that VBC tuck and take me, man, to get on top of that. Because we're starting to get down on air there, aren't you, a little bit? So you got to get that tuck happening. Got to cry on that. One more go.
And down the waterfall, wherever it may take me.
I know the life won't break me. So I don't know the lyrics.
Yeah, that's right. I know the life won't break me.
Good. That's coming down. Year 2. What's the next line? No.
When I come to call, she won't forsake me.
Yeah. When I come to call. 1 3/4. Your turn. Sustain call.
When I come to call.
1.5. She won't forsake me. Your turn.
She won't forsake me.
I'm loving angels instead. 1 1/4 finishing.
I'm loving angels instead.
We stepped through the melody. It's got to be a ballad. You went, I'm loving angels instead, and went down. It's keep it up. It's smooth and then stead straight. I'm loving angels instead. Your turn.
I'm loving angels instead.
It's okay. Still step through. Stead's got to be straight. There's no G at the end of loving. You went, I'm loving. I'm loving angels instead. Okay, your turn.
I'm loving angels instead.
All right, hold that step. Dude, all of your ends, man. You've got to do this. All of your ends. You've got to hold them straight, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm gonna stop this recording. You've got 10 minutes of bangers right there, man. That gives you every analysis that you need to work on for that song. The rest of the skills, just repeat. Run these skills all the way through the rest of the song, okay?
Yeah.
Stop the recording now.